All right, y'all, we at it again. I am working on this 89 Chevy. This thing is four-wheel drive. Changing the input shaft seal on it. And had to take out transfer case here for the four-wheel drive. And then, of course, you know, the torque converter. And then the protection plate. And then the cross member. And the drive shafts. Here we go, the good stuff. I didn't have to lower the transmission, as you can see. I just pulled it back off of the engine. And I changed the input shaft seal, which is this seal here. You know, the torque converter covers that. But that is the input shaft seal, and the transmission fluid leaks out, and it'll leak right here, and it'll just run down. But while I am changing this input shaft seal, I'm also gonna go ahead and change the rear main seal. I've got the bolts taken out already of the plate, the flywheel. I'm gonna wedge it off and then change the rear main seal. And while I got the rear main seal off, I'm gonna change the seal on this axle, on this transfer case. And might as well, you know what I'm saying, might as well do it since it's out, because that was actually leaking fluid because this is where the drive shaft that connects to the rear wheels, this is what it connects to. And when I pulled it out, it had a little bit of fluid leaking behind it. So I'm gonna change that seal at the same time that I'm changing the input and the rear main seal. Might as well knock it all out at one time. It's your man Mobile Mac, y'all. Peace.